Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? This is Dr. Crypto here. We are finally back with another market update video. This video would be a quick market analysis based on previous market update. BTC on my previous market was around this zone when everyone was bullish. Okay, so I told you that before going up, we will liquidate those people who are short from this area of resistance, and then we will move up. So, following my analysis, first BTC dropped by 5%, and then perfectly following my analysis, BTC almost pumped by 13%. So this was our previous market analysis, which went all the way correct. In today's market analysis, we will also analyze BTC on 4 hour time frame. But before we get into the video, today unfortunately we hit one stop loss with our VIPs on Discord. We went short on BTC, but our analysis was perfectly correct, but our stop loss was quite small. That's why it got hit, because we did short BTC from this area, and this was our TPs. Okay, so our TPs were achieved, but our stop loss was so small that it got hit before hitting our targets. So we just lost 14% with 20x leverage. So it's just a piece of cake to recover us, and I guarantee that we will recover more than 6 times of this loss. Okay, so it's just small loss because we trade with proper risk management, and this is just small loss for us, and we will recover it easily. Okay, so beside this, we traded DAR in USDT pair in spot, which gave us 20% non-leverage profit. So see, our one spot trade gives us 20% non-leverage profit, and our one unsuccessful future trade just gives us minus 14% with 20x loss. Okay, so it's just small loss, and we're gonna recover it easily with our VIPs. So basically, besides this, we traded CFX also, which gave a small profit, and TQ in BTC pair that gave us more than 20% profit till now. Okay, so beside this, we traded some more spot trades as well, but that's not the stuff to be discussed right now. So let's get into the video. If you also want to join me on Discord, you can DM me on Telegram or Twitter. I will let you know, guys, what's the criteria to join me on Discord. So currently, what's happening right now? BTC was around this zone when everyone was bearish. But I told you what's the scenario. Basically, the scenario was retailers were considering this area to be as a perfect top to short the market, and they went short from this area. And I perfectly told in my previous videos that they will first be happy with the profits. The institutions will move the market first in their favor, and then trapping them, they will trap all their money, because those people who were short from this area were quite happy with their profits right here, and their stop losses were above these whole highs, like above this high, above this high, etc. So market moved against them, first trapping them, and then moved against them, perfectly following our analysis. So what's happening right now? So currently we have two areas of interest in market. One is this box right here, which target is around 23,300. This box is really important to be hold. If price holds this box, which is currently trying to hold, then we might see only a small bounce in price. Okay, this area is important. Basically, this is very small box. If gets hold, then we will see only a small bounce in price. Okay, what is basically my main area of interest in market right now is this area of inefficiency and this area. Why is this point important to me more than this is just this point is not as important to me as this area is, because we are currently forming a trend line, and this area is actually area of inefficiency, which is actually in base of order block and imbalance right here, and this area to be an unmedicated order block, which never got tested, and market bounced too quick. Okay, so why is this two areas of interest for me? Because this area has lot of liquidity, and this area as well, and we can see formation of trend line as well. So those people who are considering this trend line to be get validated, they are again long from this area, which is my first possibility, right? This, so if price holds above this, when we see small bounce in price, but again, if price reaches this trend line, then we can possibly break this trend line. And what would be our targets? Our first target would be this area to go long on BTC or any alt, and our next target of interest in this market would be this area of inefficiency. So beside this, if we look to USDT dominance, which is actually bullish for now. Basically, if we see this with BTC with USDT dominance chart, so we can see that USDT dominance is basically bullish. So that's why going long on BTC or any altcoin right now would not be a good option. So what are the zones for USDT dominance? One is this area, which targets is around 6.6%. If price pumps to this zone, we can see a major drop in BTC. What would be that zone for BTC? And this area which I discussed in my 4-hour analysis. So this area is in for me really important for USD dominance. So if we see rejection from this zone, then we can see bounce in altcoin. So going long on BTC for now, I would not consider it to be a good idea. So this was today's market analysis video. Hope so it's clear for you to predict the next move. So if you also want to join free one of free trading signals, you can join me on Telegram and make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. So that's enough for today. Thank you very much.